We now have a situation where we have the serial monitor controlling the servos on the Seahawk. There's a battery pack here, and this battery pack is powering these two servos, but the logic is coming off of pins 9 and 10 on the Arduino via this Xbee shield. Right now we're not going to use the Xbee shield, we're just using the USB cable, but what happens here is if we hit hit P and then enter, then we get the claws opening. When we hit O, they close. Got to change that in the code. That just means it's backward, but that way, using the keyboard, we can open and close the claws. Now, we want to do it by Xbee, so what we'll do is we will disconnect the USB, and we will now turn the Arduino on from this battery pack that we have, and we'll switch the Xbee now to UART from D-line. We were on D-line on this switch down here when we are loading the program. Once we've loaded the program, we switch it up to UART or UART, and then it's ready to receive and transmit. I think that's what the RT and UART stand for. I may be wrong. In that case, we disconnect the USB and plug in our Xbee module here, and we have to then see if it will work, if it will transmit. However, sometimes that means reassigning the COM port, and here it went from COM 5 to COM 8. So I've reassigned it, and now I'm calling up the serial monitor, and let's see what happens. It's saying, yep, it works. So now wirelessly, as you can see, look, on no wires, we're able to open and close the claws just from the keyboard from a remote location. And so that is a good result. We can also, of course, turn on the motor, and through the serial monitor we can also send the commands for the motors to run, and at the same time control so we can control the boat and the claws using the same Arduino board and the same Xbee. So that's a nice result. Okay, thanks.